Here are the manifests for the paper rolls. Inbound shipment 742.
Everything seems to be in order. You are cleared for scanning.
This is the seal right here, officer. It matches the one on your screen.
All right, let me just confirm the code. Looks good. Everything is in order.
The first step in creating the world's finest playing cards is the arrival of the raw paper stock at our state-of-the-art facility.
It all begins here in the raw materials zone. Only the highest grade paper stock is accepted for our premium cards. The process begins with the conditioned paper being precisely fed into the automated system, ensuring perfect alignment.
The hydraulic clamp secures the stack before the massive steel blade descends, shearing through the thick paper with
Here on the coating line, large sheets receive a uniform base coat. This glossy layer is critical for the feel and durability of the finished poker cards.
The freshly printed sheets are immediately fed into this curing tunnel, utilizing infrared technology and precise airflow to set the ink.
The pressure reading on this gauge is fluctuating. Let me recalibrate the sensor. We need to maintain consistency.
Next, the decks pass through the anti-static air treatment zone, ensuring no dust particles remain before packaging.
It's still reading offline here on the main panel.
Check the power conduit around the back, see if it's seated properly.
The packaging line activates, swiftly moving the completed decks into their boxes. This automated process ensures speed and precision. The boxes now enter the heat shrink tunnel, where the specialized film tightens around the product, ensuring a perfect seal. Every box is automatically weighed at high speed. It is a zero-error system, ensuring perfect consistency before final packaging.
Next, the decks are scanned by our state-of-the-art visual inspection cameras. Any defect is immediately flagged.
Once packaged, the cartons move to the labeling station, where robotic arms rapidly apply shipping labels with pinpoint accuracy.
Here in the warehouse, precision is everything. This tracking system allows us to monitor over $100 million worth of inventory in real time.
According to the system, Rack 12 has the missing shipment.
Yes, I'm showing the same data here. Let's confirm the count.
Once quality control is complete, orders are prepared for shipment, utilizing these color-coded zones for maximum efficiency.
After weeks of meticulous production, the final product is ready for shipment.
Keep coming straight back. Easy now, easy. Okay, hold it right there.
All right, lock it in.
Got it. Secure on this side.
Checking tension, looks good.